Well, hello, it's that time. It's time for some holiday cookies. And I'm a part of a collaboration hosted by Jeni's Scratch-Made Kitchen. It's a holiday cookie exchange. This time of year, it's Hanukkah. So I'm gonna make a Hanukkah themed cookie. Come with me and let's make some Latke cookies. I am a big fan of a potato latke, so why not try a cookie that's kind of like a potato latke? Let's start with a large bowl. 3/4 cup of condensed milk goes first. 1/4 cup of melted butter. 1 egg. Vigorously mix with a fork until combined. You're gonna need an 8-ounce bag of wavy potato chips. Handful by handful, you crush them lightly into the bowl, leaving some big chunks. I'm gonna combine and mix it all together, then I'm just gonna let it sit on the counter for a few minutes. Place spoonfuls onto a baking tray and shape them into a potato pancake shape. I'm gonna cook them at 375 for about 12 to 14 minutes. I want the edges and tops to be a deep golden brown. Looking like this. Let them cool on this tray for about 10 minutes and then move to a cooling rack. Latke cookies. Wow. It's fun. It's a very sweet potato chip cookie. There's something like a macaroon, like a coconut macaroon about it when I taste it. It's a delicious Hanukkah Latke cookie treat. Do you want to see more holiday cookies? Then you're going to have to go visit Jeni's Scratch-Made Kitchen. She has a playlist showing all the cookies that are part of this holiday cookie exchange. A latke walks into a bar. Mitzvah.